Okay, Tequila Dave here. Just going to show you another entry to Challemge number 1. This is something that I really need to film with a friend of mine, but I'm going to see if I can film it on myself. So I'm going to have the key. Right, this will be going a little bit further than you probably think. I don't know if you know, but in quite a lot of UK bathrooms you have a string here which turns the light on and off. Now, let me get my vice. Hang on a sec, I'll be right back. Let's see if this will work. I'm not promising anything, guys. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I've got a big bell tent down here. I'm trying to balance it on. What I'm trying to do. I should have thought this out better first, shouldn't I? Come on, let's get it in. Let's try and... Well, let me show you what I'm trying to do to start with. It's basically, you can see, no, it's not going to work. This is why I really need someone with me first to film it. What I'm going to do is go to a loop. Can I hold this in my mouth maybe? Let's give this a go. Don't know if this is going to work. I just heard my vice fall off. You can see I've sort of got the key on there. It's just fallen down again. How am I going to film this by myself? Okay, you can probably see there I've got the key. Let's see if I can do this. Hey, look at that. Right, which way do I want to turn it? Turn that way, so. in. This is why I need to do it with a friend filming it, so I don't have to worry about all this malarkey. Right. Oh yeah, my bulb's going, which don't turn it off to back on, it doesn't help. Twist, twist, twist. Oh, there we go, twist. See, I'm learning all the time. Yeah, that's not going in that way. Let's try the other side. So if I want it to be going that way. What are you doing? No, I don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. See, I can do that from the other side. Why don't I do that? So I can see what I'm doing a little bit more. I still can't see where the keyhole is. There's the keyhole. There it is. Is it? Oh no, it's at the top. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. This is a proper fail video. Let's just try and do it like that. Like I said, my bulb is failing. So I need to get my mate round to so close, there we go. I need to go like that. Oh, okay. That took me way longer than expected. Like I said, that would have been far easier to film with a mate holding a camera. I'm really holding out that this video actually did record to key the tape out.